CXL1 trim. Third row seat, heated leather seats, backup camera, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power liftgate, quad bucket seats, aluminum wheels, all-wheel drive, head airbag, and more. Key features include third row seat, all-wheel drive, rear bucket seats, power liftgate, rear AC, backup camera, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, CD player, telematics, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, multi-zone AC MP3 player, keyless entry, remote trunk release, privacy glass, steering wheel audio controls. Experts rave the handsome 8-passenger Enclave blazed the styling path for all the new Buicks, and is a high-quality, luxurious, full-size crossover with Lexus levels of refinement car and driver. Why buy from us, Eldorado Chevrolet in